Hello, Yvonne Olsen here. Welcome to my review video of Quora Ads Hack. In a nutshell, Quora Ads Hack is a training program that will help you to run profitably Quora ads. If that sounds interesting to you, you can check it out and buy it via my link that is down in the description below. And when you click the link, you will enter on my bonus page that looks like this. All you need to do is to click one of these red buttons, and that will direct you to the sales page that looks like this. And when you scroll down and when you purchase the product, all you need to do is to log in into your Warrior Plus account and go into your username in purchase history. And when you click on the product Quora Ads Hack, you just need to click that button, access affiliate bonuses, and then you will have all of my bonuses. But you need to do that before the time hits 0, because then they will expire. Now I will tell you my bonuses. The first bonus that you will get is the Fuego multiplier. This bonus is the video training of the John Armstrong, and he's super affiliate, and he will teach you how to utilize YouTube ads for your offers. The bonus number 2 is Facebook Ninja ads. It will teach you how to utilize Facebook ads. The bonus number 3 is Google Display Network hacks. It will teach you how to utilize Google ads. Bonus number 4 is a WP Checkout Maximizer. WP stands for WordPress plugin. This bonus will help you to, when customers land on your website, it will help you to better convert them. And the bonus number 5 is 10K email manifesto. This is Brandon May's training. He's also super affiliate, and he will teach you here what is email marketing, what the products are best to promote, and what is the fastest way to 10K per month with email marketing. Now I will show you more about the product Quora Ads Hack. How a $10 campaign made them to $289 on Quora using a trickish popular method that you underestimate. So what is Quora Ads Hack all about? Quora Ads Hack is a full training course that will legitimately show you step-by-step tricky process on how to run ads on Quora for profiting. Quora is a very strict platform when it comes to running ads and promoting stuff, but this makes them one of the most profiting platforms because traffic coming to Quora is practically targeted and based on people's interests and questions. Here you will get step-by-step training included to put you on the highway to success. You will transform your sales into an amazing pool of instant and daily cashing out. You will skip expensive ad spend, and you can access it from anywhere and watch it at your own convenient time. Now the prices and the upsells of the product. On the front end, Quora Ads Hack is $17. With this detailed video training, you will be guided through how to get everything you need to make money with a brand new proven tested method, including how to set up everything in minutes or few hours, even if you're a complete newbie, how to make sure this works for you with no shadows of doubt, and an exceptional method to get hot leads and scale up your affiliate business without requiring email list or sending out email. Then the first upsell that they have is 5 super done for you campaigns. It's a $47. How about less stress? Yes, I mean it. With the five done for you campaigns, you can simply take they are already set to convert campaigns, which has been tested to work, and just copy and paste it into your Quora ads. This includes five high converting products, landing pages, targeting, it includes keywords, headlines, and even text body and best budget recommendations. Then their upsell number two is let's do it for you. It's $47. Why struggle to get it done yourself when they can do all for you? We take all your stress and get your sales in no time, faster than you can ever imagine. Our team of experts are waiting to start work on your own campaign. All you need is send us desired link of product, send us your funds for your ad budget, and simply relax and see the work done. And the upsell number three is $147. It's product creation mini style. Uh, get a chance to learn the craziest of all the craziest marketing strategies in the online marketing world. It's confirmed that the far best way to make more and be financially in this era of internet marketing is to sell your own product. And that's exactly what they're gonna be teaching you. You will discover crazy techniques and methods to make money online that the gurus will never reveal. This is your chance to make history and be a guru of your own self. If the product sounds interesting to you, you can check it out. The link is down in the description below. You will get all my bonuses free of charge. Plus you will get all the vendors bonuses that they will give you. The bonus number one is a Facebook Live Authority. This will uh, help you. This will teach you how to use Facebook Live to engage with your audience, build your brand, and sell more of your products. Bonus number two, it's most powerful tool that combines unlimited opportunities for you to attract visitors, grab subscribers, and eventually get money-paying customers. It's a lead fusion lead. Bonus number three is affiliate marketing action plan. Get into the right mindset, pick a niche that you like, create site around your niche, research different affiliate platforms, and find quality products that match your niche, and much more. Bonus number four is Soci Ultima. This will help you to boost your views and traffic from all the videos you captioned with the help of Rackestly by reaching your target audience for 100% free on Facebook newsfeed, Messenger, groups, pages, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, Slack, bot, etc. And a bonus number five that you will get is Gram Suit. This will help you to get Instagram followers on autopilot. It's the exact software that their house team is customized for building up followers on Instagram accounts. Now I will show you the sales page of the product. Here you will get a bypass Quora strict algorithm. You will optimize your ads for high ROI. You will target your actual audience. You will earn between 200 and 400 per day for spending less. The best strategy to increase conversions. You can scale than ever before. It's easy to implement right away, newbie friendly. Here is why Quora. It has insane targeting capabilities. You can target on Quora, targeting on Quora ads, secondary targeting on Quora. You can topic target, interest target, question targeting, keywords targeting, audience, question history targeting, keyword history targeting, list match audience, lookalike audience, and custom audience. It has direct access to people's interested in problems. It's a high CTR, click-through rate, and low cost. Here are the steps. You just need to get access. You need to grab your own copy of Quora Ads Hack for a one-time price of $17. Step 2 is to watch and implement the training and make profit. Here are some results that they're getting. Now I will show you the vendor's video of the members area.
Hi guys, welcome to the demo video of Quora Ads Hack, and in this video I'm actually going to explain to you exactly everything you need to know about the Quora Ads Hack. In a summary, the Quora Ads Hack is a course training by Daniel, and it's actually aimed to teach you a secret funny hack that lets you bypass Quora algorithm, okay? And this actually helps to make you, or to let you earn profit, or help you profit with every $10 ads you run on Quora, right? So before we go into any more details, let me quickly give you a basic explanation on how this works. Now, here is my one of my affiliate account called Seller, and I have so many products there which I sell on my own, okay, by myself, my own product. Now I wanted to focus on this one called the Income Shock, okay? This is a product I created and it's still working right now, and you can see I've made over 138 sales from here. Now here is one of my Quora Ads account which I run an ad on. As you can see, it says Income Shock right here, and this is 27,267 impressions, 291 clicks, 53% click-through rate, $0.17 cost per click, $10.15 ad spend. Okay, I spent just $10.15 in 189 upvote. As you can see, it says Income Shock right here, and if you come here, this is Income Shock, and you can see I made over 138 sales, and in total I have over 291 sales. If you calculate all of these together, I have over 291 sales in total and made over $4,299 and over 1,129 euros from this platform selling my products using Quora Ads. So this makes you understand that Quora Ads is actually very powerful if you follow everything in this video. So this product is actually going live by on the March 23rd by 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This product is going live, and this is a game changer for anyone, okay? This is a game changer for you. And if you click on the link below, it should take you down to the sales page, which looks like this. Here is the sales page, and when this product goes live, all you need to do is to click on access right here, and you get access to the product directly. And this product is just $17 to get, okay? It's just $17, and you get access to the front end of this product, okay? There are also upgrades which you can check out on your own from the sales page, okay? From the sales page on the JV page. Now back to Quora Ads Hack. This is the members area, and as you can see in the first module, this is the introduction, and the module 1, you're actually going to be learning exactly some things you need to create, how to create your Quora Ads account, what to do, and everything you need to do. In the second module, you're going to learn how to sign up, or you'll be given some resources to sign up with. There are some landing page builders, systems that are lead sleep, medium, Aweber, most end of. You have a website, you're going to learn exactly how to do that. And also module 3, you have to sign up for an affiliate network, the best one out there. And one of the alternative right here is using Impact, okay? Impact is an alternative to ClickBank for those countries which are like you have ClickBank restricted in your countries. You can use Impact, okay? So, and I'm actually going to show you how to, or which kind of products to promote, the best product that converts using Quora Ads, okay? Now I'm going to explain that to you in this. And also In module 4, you're going to be creating a landing page, an opt-in page. You can actually use your website or the kind of software that will actually be given to you right here. So I'm going to explain to you how to do all of this. Okay, I'm going to explain all of that in the course, right? The next one is Quora itself. I'm going to show you what to do right here. That is a tweak, that is an hack here, which I'm not gonna explain only until you get access. And this is one of the powerful part of the Quora attack. And not only this, including this, okay, this is where the magic happens. The Quora attack, the module 6. The module 5 is all about writing content and the kind of content to write and how to write it, where to get the content from, and how to let it work well for you, how to make it convert really well. But in the module 6, you're gonna learn the Quora art itself, including the hack and the tweak that makes this actually very powerful, right? So, and also we have some bonus bundles here. I have a bonus video right here that is actually helped so many people, so many affiliate right here to make so much money. Okay, it's actually a free training. Just click on here to watch the free intro video by Juno Armstrong there. Then you get access to the free webinar by clicking right here. It's actually a free webinar, right? So you can also contact me from here, reach me on Facebook or reach me on Skype. So basically that's everything you need to know about the Quora Art Hack. Like I said, the Quora Art Hack is just $17 to get. So let's just see the upgrades, right? I have some upgrades right here, and one of the upgrades, which is actually the 5 done for you campaigns, is actually $47, and this actually means you'll get 5 campaigns. Actually, also gonna be I think this is not $47, this is $67 right here. So that is actually we're gonna be the one to run. Okay, you're gonna give us your details and the product you're gonna run the ad for. So give us the details for you. We're gonna set up the product, we're gonna set up the landing page, we're gonna set up everything that's using your own account, or we can create a new account if you want. Okay, so using your details, your payment details, and you are good to go. So the last one is actually product creation mini style. So this is actually one of the best way to make money online. Know that is creating your product and getting to sell them. So we're gonna teach you how you can actually make money by creating your own product in a mini style just in 7 days. Okay, now I know a lot of people think that creating products is actually very tedious, but that is always the shortcut to that. And that is what you're gonna learn. Just you have a product launch and ready to go and ready to make money. So this is everything you're gonna be learning, and this is $1 to get. So that will be all in this review video. All you need to do right now is to click on the link below and that's to this product, and you are good to go. So have a nice day and stay blessed.
If the product sounds interesting to you, you can check it out and buy it via my link that is down in the description below. And plus you will get all of my bonuses plus vendors bonuses that will be free of charge to you. Thank you for watching.